We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2017 Ultra Limited. This has the black quartz paint job. It's got the metal flake in it. It's beautiful. Locking saddlebags, locking top case. Has a rack on the top for more luggage. Has the Vance & Hines exhaust. 107 Milwaukee 8. Works off of a key fob. Has the navigation system. Nice big shield, protect you from the wind. This is an awesome bike. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides. Come check it out.